Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the spiked granny chevron stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 18. I have already made 36 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 3 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. So that's 1, 2, and 3 into that chain. Skip 2 chains and into this next one make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. We're going to skip 2 chains and then we're going to make our first peak. Into this next chain, we're going to make 3 double crochet. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, and then make 3 double crochet into that chain that you just worked 3 double crochet. You're going to skip 2 chains. Into this next one, you're going to make 3 double crochet. You're going to skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochet into the next chain. So 1. We're ready to make our first valley. You're going to skip 5 chains and then into the next one make 3 double crochet. So that's 1. So you can see that valley. And you can tell so far that we make 2 sets of 3 double crochet as our side, peak, 2 sets of 3 double crochet, valley. So we're going to make another set of 3 double crochet, skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochet into the next one. So that's our side of 3 double crochet, skip 2, 3 double crochet. And then now we're ready to make another peak. Skip 2 chains into the next one, make those 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all into that same chain we're working into. Ready to make our next side. Skip 2 chains into this next one, make 3 double crochet. Skip 2 chains and into the next one, make 3 double crochets. We're going to have 1 chain left in our row. Into that last chain, make 1 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 4 chains. So for this row, we're going to be working into the spaces between stitches. You're going to use this chain 4 to skip this stitch right here, the first one, and then these 3 double crochet, this 3 double crochet block. You're going to skip to this first space right here and you're going to make a double crochet. Now to make our spike, you're going to make a triple crochet into a chain below. So it's going to look like this, worked into that chain. That's how it's going to look. Now, right now we're using a chain because this is only our second row, so we only have the chains to work into. Going forward, you're going to be working into previous stitches. And then to complete this block of 3, we're going to make a double crochet into this same open space that we're working into. Now we're going to skip these 3 stitches, this block of 3 double crochet, and work into the next open space, making that same thing, regular double crochet, triple crochet down into one of the chains, looking like that, and then a double crochet into the same open space. Now we're going to skip over to our peak space, and we're going to be working the same thing we worked in our last row into this space. 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all into this peak space right here. And that's how our peak is looking. We're going to skip over to the next space between stitches and we're going to make this same block here. 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet down into this chain or into the row below, and then 1 double crochet into this same space. Same thing, skip to this next space, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet into the chain or stitch below when going forward, then 1 double crochet into this same space. Now we've reached our first valley. You're going to skip these 3 double crochet. You're going to skip this valley space. You're going to skip these 3 double crochet. You're going to work into this next space between them. Make a double crochet, triple crochet down into the chain or stitch below, and make a double crochet all into that same space. Move on to the next space. Double crochet, triple crochet down into the chain or stitch below, and 1 double crochet into that same space that we've been working into. We've reached our next peak. Same thing, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into this peak space. We're ready to make our last side. Skip to the next space, double crochet, triple crochet down into a chain or a stitch below, double crochet into that same space to make that block of 3, skip 3 stitches into this next space, double crochet, triple crochet into a chain or stitch below, and double crochet into that same space. Now when you reach the end of your row, you're going to have a block of 3 left and then some chains. You're going to make 1 chain and then make a double crochet into the tops of those previous chains at the end of your row. And this chain and double crochet are going to count as the chain 4 that we made at the beginning of this row, so they're going to match. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the spiked granny chevron stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.